Today, we look at validation, not as guardrails, not as user experience, but as a declaration of truth. Validation is Terraform stating what values are allowed to exist in its model. Terraform builds a graph. Every edge assumes inputs are meaningful. Without validation, any value is accepted, even values that break the logic of the system you are modeling. If identity begins corrupted, the graph remains consistent but incorrect. By default, Terraform only knows a variable's type, string, number, boolean. Type answers, what shape is this? Validation answers a deeper question, is this value acceptable for this system to exist? Validation does not change planning. It does not alter the dependency graph. It executes before reasoning begins. Invalid input halts interpretation, not execution. Interpretation. Terraform refuses to reason about an impossible world. This declares a name. Terraform knows it must be a string, but it has no opinion about meaning. An empty string is valid. A meaningless string is valid. The model accepts all identities. This adds a constraint, not on usage, on existence. If the value cannot satisfy the rule, Terraform cannot construct a valid internal model. The plan never forms. Validation does not protect resources. It protects assumptions. It ensures that every downstream dependency is built on values that meet declared invariants. This is identity hygiene, not error handling. Variables sit at the root of the dependency graph. Validation happens before edges are evaluated. If a root node is invalid, no dependency can safely exist. Terraform stops early to preserve logical integrity. Validation can be precise or misleading. A weak condition creates false certainty. Terraform will trust whatever rules you declare. Validation enforces truth, but it cannot discover truth for you. Later, we will contrast validation with preconditions and postconditions. Variables define identity. Validation defines legitimacy. If legitimacy fails, the world is never imagined. Terraform does not negotiate. It either understands the model or it refuses to speak.